Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna change my Toyota Tacoma front brake pad. So I do all the time, but this vehicle I just got it 2 years ago. So I look like a new brake pad, but I still can drive the next 3 or 4 months. But while I'm doing nothing right now, just go ahead and replace it. So I love to work on the vehicle since I was 14-year-old with my hometown. So my hometown, we don't have the kind of vehicle like in the United States. But my hometown, we work on they call a farm vehicle, or farm tractor, what they call it. They built one single engine from China. So I can work on that. We call it the Gong Nong. So I used to work that when I was 14-year-old and do some kind of clutch replace or piton gasket and head gasket, something like that. So when I came to the United States, so I love to work on the vehicle. I've been doing in my garage about 16 years, but I understand some people say you need the license to get the work on the vehicle, but sometimes like I trust myself what I'm doing, and I wouldn't work on not a new vehicle, old. So like began from 1990, like Honda Civic, Honda Accord, Toyota, Lexus, Mazda, some small vehicle like that. So I love doing. I'm not completely do maintenance repair. I just replace it sometimes, transmission, engine, some head gasket, something like that. So this one I will do my brake pad. I will see how it look like. Okay, I will see you again. So first of all, I forgot to tell you. So before you start working like this, I know that the front brake kind of bit dusty, and I'm gonna put my mask on because the pollen outside. My nose don't like, my body don't like the pollen, so I gotta put my mask on, and I gotta put my glove on. Put the glove. So first I'm gonna do, I gotta open the hood and take out the brake fluid reservoir. When I lift up, kind of like high, I cannot reach it. While my truck is low, so I do it now. Because I'm short man, cannot reach when I put the jacket on the truck. Well, basically the hood all the way to the bottom. Open the hood. Let me turn the camera a little bit. Lift this up, make sure everything's secure, and the brake fluid reservoir right here. At least I open it, and I can put when I take a brake pad, then I gotta put the brake caliper pressure back. Maybe the fluid gonna rush up. It should be leaking a little bit, maybe. I don't know. Let me rush my vehicle up, okay? So now my vehicle rests up with the jack on it. I'm lucky both sides is rest up with one jack. So let me lock the handbrake. I forgot. So I'm glad I got a air impact. Everything that been easy for me to do it and a little bit faster than do by hand. So I used to do by hand back then because I don't have air compressor and impact like this. So lucky, thank you God, and God give me air compressor and impact. So I'll do it a bit faster. I'm pretty sure. All right. Not high enough. Let's be high. Alright, so I guess I put the wrong side. Oh, a lot faster. by hand. So when you're young, it's okay. I'm old, no good. So when you take it out, the tie, always put the tie under here. If in case something happens, my tie will block out. Let me see the brake. Brake pad not very bad, but anyway, you know, I'm already here. They could have better go ahead and replace it. Now I gotta do the other side. Yeah, I forgot to tell you, and I went to Napa Auto Part this morning, and I saw it in catalog say if you spend other spring brake saving discount, if you spend more than $25, you get a free head. So I spent more than $25, almost $50. So the Napa Auto Part gave me this head. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much, Napa. I love Napa. All right, I'm gonna take this side. We see. Very old, but I need to change the roller too if I got the money. But right now, I just change to the inside. It can turn around. But the brake pad not look very bad, but like I said, I'm over here, you take it out. So always you take it out, you be careful and don't break anything. What if the new one, you know, won't work for you? So you have to reuse it sometime. Don't break anything, and make sure you know what you're doing, because the spring right here kind of funny right here. Alright, and now I gotta push back the pan. I know it's hard, but let me get some big heavy stuff. I can push it back a little bit. But this is no good. This is very old brake. I gotta use some small tiny here, make sure they leak out a little bit. I don't want to use too much. I gotta clean later on. Alright guys, the pen give me a hard time, but I don't saw in the video, so I just finally pull it out. It's rusty and everything, and it's hard to come out. So now I have to take out the bolt. We'll see if the bolt, I hope the bolt loose. I'll be done and give me a trouble again. The old truck, rusty. This brake pad, I already take it out. It's very stucky too, but how to push the brake caliper pressure back. So I do one of those and I hold this side, okay, and hold this side, push it back. So I gotta go up here, same thing, and make sure I don't hit any boot. If I hit the boot, it'll be a big problem. And now I push it back. I gotta do it again the bottom, make sure it won't pop right back. Make sure everything goes supposed to go inside and like that. I guess still have to block something over here. Like this. Make sure that thing won't come back again up like this. And it's kind of hard. And you don't want to come back. Well, I just leave as it is. So it won't go in. I have to push again. Right? That is brand new pad. Come with spring and pan everything. That's helped a whole lot. The gun I got reuse the old pan and I just clean it out. But now I got a new pan, new spring. That's good for me. That's a good one too. Let me see. One on top, on the bottom. Down the head. Okay. Why? That one spring. And I mean, I had to reuse the old one. This for on the top one, not in the bottom part, and the bottom one. That's why I told you earlier that you don't break anything. So now I have only the top spring. This one, not this one. Now this one I reuse the old one. Make sure I know how to put it back like that. Okay. Right. This side is done, so I'm going to twist for this one and put the new on it. Right. I'm going to turn the finger. Right. Now I close it. I always put low pressure. Always put right here. And push on one side. Good. 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 And now if we tight, we can do a little high pressure. It's so strong. Clean it off. Like I say, it's plastic, so I put my mask on. It's good for now. Put the phone back on. Good. Strong. Clean up again. Yeah, try to be nice. Right, now I go outside. I hope this side don't give me a hard time, but I know it's kind of rusty. I gotta spray it first, so I'll buy the grit cleaner. Spray it out, make sure it kind of loose a little bit. It's not cleaning, but spray it out. And I start removing the pen. The cable of this pen. I need this. I need this. I'm going to come back and the cover. That one, I need that one. This one. I can use the hammer. Put the back. Always
Other side the same thing. The top pan loose easy. The bottom pan is harder. Might something cause a problem, I don't know. So I guess this is risky. Because the bottom pan is harder than top because the wheel is spun like this. And always rush to go inside here first before it get the top one. That's why it's the bottom harder than the top one. So let me take it out and I'll record again. Alright, and the bottom pan, I think I'll put the wrong one on the other side. So I have to go back check on this side to the right one. Turn on. This side. So I got to use extra pen just in case because they're sending along second pen. And if the first one broken, the second one they can hold. Alright, to get this side, I gotta go back other side because the bottom pan, they open the brake. I think I put wrong other side, I gotta go back do it. This side is good. Thank you. So I fixed this side. The spring and popping I put it wrong. So now I put the pan back. There we go. This one is top, down on the bottom. I guess either or the same, the bottom or the top one. I think the bottom better because the wheel is kind of this side. Well, I gotta swap it out because it's top to the wrong side. Whoever took this one, I don't want the other side top, this and bottom. This side is top, other side is bottom. So I gotta bring that to the bottom because the wheel open like this. Open to this side. I gotta put this out. Alright guys. Use this small line. Out. Pop that in. Position to the bottom. The bottom needs to be like and either or, top to bottom, but I didn't do the bottom one because the wheels kind of fit open from this side and see the other side. Not hot. Now, another pan hits off like this. Second pan. Good deal. So do you remember I told you it might overflow, but luckily it's a little bit, it's okay, not overflow. Come back right, man. Alright, normally after you change the brake, the people mechanic recommended, and you go inside here. You have to pump 3 or 4 times the brake pedal. So I'm hate to do this because sometimes if I used to work on like a 1998 Honda Accord, and when you pump a couple of times and the brake muscle are easy to wear out, you know what I mean? Now I just try this truck. Before I do that, I gotta drop the jacket first. Okay, I pumped the first time very slight, very softy. So I put the second time a little heavy, and third time is stronger, and fourth in is stuck. So that means it's good. So I now gotta close the hood and test driving. Alright, so now I get out from my garage and I can go to like my neighborhood street and to test drive how my brake new pad. I mean, I can try over here. It's pretty good so far. So I go 25 miles per hour, and that's good. I heard it's brake. You know, the truck like this, and you want like a sport car brake. You know, it's different. That's why you need to be careful when stay away from somebody if you brake not feel comfortable. But this, you know, I like some truck they have the 2 brake rollers, front and the back. But this one, the front is brake, they call it brake dash roller, and the back is brake drum and brake shoe is what they call that. I mean, yeah, so far pretty good. And stop, yeah, stop pretty good. Yeah. Oh well, I really need my brake dash very soon, but I guess I can try another 6-7 months from now to fetch my brake big rollers. All right, thank you guys. So I guess pretty good for me and like a normal. Alright, I guess my brake is success for today. Thank you so much. Thank you very much, guy. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.